Yo guys, what's good? So right now, 30 seconds till market open, looking pretty good. Today we're gonna be longs. Today we're longs because hourly we had Asian session manipulation, not really followed by reversal, but looking for London to reverse and go into an uptrend. And we have two hourly highs and then a relatively equal high. So we have some nice draws to the upside, but also to the downside. It's pretty decent. We have two hourly draws on liquidity, and I think we are bearish on this more higher time frame, like the 4 hourly. Hourly we're still bearish, but we'll end up seeing what happens. 30-minute we're bullish, which is nice. Market just opened, so we'll see what happens, and hopefully we can have a good day today. I didn't upload it, but I traded, I traded like on Friday. I ended up losing that trade, which is alright, but yeah, it's annoying. I'm just following my rules. Maybe my strategy is terrible. No, I'm kidding. Oh, dang. I need to cut my hair. I think I'm getting a haircut tomorrow, or it's Wednesday. I'm not even too sure, but I need a haircut, honestly. Well, let's try have a good trading day. I don't know, but I really want a nice trading day. We gotta wait 15 minutes. Obviously, I always say this. You know what though? I want to hit some. I don't know why, but my OBS just never wants to record it. Surely it records it. Cause like, come on. Alright, let's play some GTA. Have you guys ever seen me play GTA? I didn't think so. And I tried vlogging yesterday, but the stupid app that I tried vlog on, it wasn't working, so it was kind of unfortunate, and I ended up doing the whole thing without realizing that the audio was just for some reason messed up. Everyone was low-key an awesome vlog too, and that's why I'm gonna do it again tomorrow or something. I don't know. I need to get a vlog out though. I really want to get a vlog out. And it kind of sucks. Yesterday was fat and ugly. But does that mean we quit? No, it doesn't. It doesn't mean we quit. And it means we're about to just absolutely go crazy on this level. Is it actually working, guys? Hold on. Hey, it's actually working. Ooh. Dang, it's so laggy though. I'm not gonna lie. It is very laggy. That's okay, guys. That's alright. Alright, we're gonna hit a clip. Alright, we'll try deadlocks. Alright, then we gotta lock him back into trading. If I beat it right now, you guys have to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below to say how far this is. No one's seen this side of me, and I'm about to show you guys my full potential of Shomshash. And it's actually so much harder to talk while playing. Oh my gosh. Look, let me show you my profile. I've been 41 demons. What should I play? Last level, come on. If I don't win, I'm just gonna quit. I'm quitting trading if I don't win. Alright, lock in. I don't know why I'm playing this level. This level goes for like 5 minutes. This was not a good idea. Hey, I might just die like in 3 seconds. Ooh, this is so laggy. Wait, how are you guys even watching this shit? That's okay. We're not phased by lag. I'm gonna get through it either way. Is this W commentary on this 5-minute level? Maybe. Alright. 17%. Just chilling, just vibing. And that was terrible. I looked away for 3 seconds. Well, I'm never playing that game again. That was terrible. That was like the laggiest thing I've ever played in my life. Let's have a look at trading. 10 minutes till we see something happen. I just flippin' realized. Is it working? My camera wasn't, my thing wasn't on the whole fucking time. Ah, that's alright. Alright, so basically, to update you guys on what is fucking happening right now. So, oh dude, and I was explaining it like cool, and it was like cool. Who cares though, it's not like I'm like analyzing the markets like I'm a genius. But 50 minutes has passed and we're getting ready to enter into a trade. So yeah, it's looking nice. Price has gone up a decent amount, but we want to see some kind of fair value get made, or us hitting equilibrium. We're about to take out this hourly high right here, which is nice. So yeah, we're going up a decent amount, which is good. I'm not really seeing too much else to say, but I mean the draws to the downside are nice, but these are way better. And it's either an equilibrium hit, fair value gap fill, something like that, but we're gonna need to wait for a continuation, like some kind of retrace, because we're just going up a decent amount. Hopefully we can get in a trade in today, because I wouldn't want to just take out all of these draws, because they're kind of the only draws, but we still have a decent amount. I mean, some of these are hourly highs, and we can definitely target them still. Like, it could be a very bullish day. I'll see what the 4 hours is looking like. You know, maybe we want to tap into this gap. We haven't even used it. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, that's kind of the update. It's gone pretty good. Yeah, I'm never recording anything to do with games again. I was explaining to you guys my brachialis. And then like my short bicep. I think I have a short bicep. You know what, that's okay. I was even talking Spanish and you guys didn't even hear. And that's okay, because you know what happens when you realize something is wrong? What do? You retry and you don't give up. I'm not gonna say, you know what, nah, I'm not fucking upload. No guys, you keep going. You know, it's true. The people that say, you know, you can't fail if you don't stop. It's true. Look at this guy, he's sleeping. If he wants to sleep, he would keep trying to sleep until he sleeps. He won't fail, you know. Think about it. The mentor has woken up. This is not good. Dang, my hair's chopped. Anyways, we're right now low-key getting a nice retrace. We're filling in this fair value gap right now. We got a strong move down. We're nearly 30 minutes into market open. We're gonna find out with this candle close. If we can get a break of structure back to the upside on the 1 minute, you know we're entering that bitch. So let's see what happens. And that would be disrespecting this bad boy right here. We didn't end up hitting equilibrium, but we did fill in this gap, and we're getting a reaction right now. Hopefully it's good. Maybe we don't fill in this gap, but we do have these two nice draws here. How much is this? Well, it's like 10 pips, something like that. Still pretty good move. Still pretty nice thing to catch, and these are relatively equal hourly highs. I don't know which one it is. We probably end up targeting this one because this is also an hourly high. Well, let's see what happens. We might go into a mini downtrend here. Yeah, we might. I don't even know. We'll see what happens. And we're about to be 30 minutes. I'm hoping we don't get too shitty of a closure. 15 minutes, you know, looking like this. And we have taken out this hourly high as well. So we're kind of just chilling. 1 more minute till close. Let's see what happens. Break of structure. See if we can get that on this candle close. Probably not. But we'll see. Dude, I'm waiting for the next candle. I'm not counting that as my break. Like dude, it's a close on it, not above it. And what's a break of structure? A close above the most recent high. Hey buddy, wait. I'll take you to the toilet. Hold on, my mentor needs the toilet, but wait, it's okay buddy, I need to quickly enter. I think he needs to pee badly. Hold on bud, 30 seconds. Can you hold it for 30 seconds? Wait, mentor's gotta hold it in for 30 seconds. Just give me a second, buddy. Oh, he's too cute. Getting ready to enter. Alright, we entered Cecil. Final take profit of 8. Oh, I'm gonna put it up a bit. We're gonna risk 6. Hold on, buddy, hold on. Hold on. Dude, he needs to go. Alright, Cecil. Well, you guys wait, I'll be back. Let's go. You need to go, Whis? You need to go, Whis? Are we serious? Ah, we're only adult. Alright, sorry guys. I had to take this guy out to pee. He's chilling now, he's chilling. Let's have a look at market. What it's doing. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna target this right here. I've got to confirm. We might end up losing the trade. Price is going pretty far down. Alright. This is not looking too good. Come on. Fuck. That's okay. We're analysis for a reason. We have manipulation that we can do to the 1 minute. That's how it is. That's what price does. That's just life. You know, fat 1 minute candle. We still have 2 draws that we might want to take out. Or maybe it's just a draw to, you know, just why not? Wait a second, this is the 1 minute. Yeah, never mind. Obviously this is the 1 minute. Okay. We might come up into that gap. Don't know. What's the 3 minute looking like? 3 minutes looking alright. There's no news today, by the way. No news today. Tomorrow we have 2 pieces of news, so we're probably not going to trade that day. And that's why we might vlog. That's why we might low-key vlog. Alright, so we've just filled in that 1 minute gap like crazy. Quite a lot. It's not looking too good. It's looking like we're going to get the next kind of rotation down on the 1 minute. But hey, we'll see. It's not completely over. It really isn't. That's again why we have a loss, that's why we have this black thing right here. So just in case price wants to push down before it eventually goes in our direction, cool, it does. It's really, it really just shows how emotional you are, and I'm doing pretty good right now. I'm liking just watching the price stay in my loss, because that's what the whole point of a stop loss is for. So if price needs to do its thing a little bit before it goes in that direction, you overall think the majority of the direction, which is I'm bullish today, and we had all the confirmation for that. But price might want to quickly go down for a bit or whatever. Then that's why we have a stop loss. So why be nervous when you're in your stop loss? You only have the only time you should ever, in my opinion, I mean maybe I'm wrong, ever be feeling emotion in trading, just emotion, is once you actually lose. Once it does hit your stop loss, you can have a bit of a reaction, but you never take action off of those reactions. You never revenge trade or anything. But you always, no matter what, when you lose, at least for me, you always get just a little, maybe a regret feeling or something like that, which is fine. That's fine. But then after a while, you just become fine with it. It's cool. I'm literally after I lose a trade, I'll be chilling afterwards, and I'm just that's fine. At the end of the day, tomorrow's another day, and you have to, and as long as you improve off of the day you lose. So if I lose today, I really just want to figure out what I did wrong. So if I lose today, what did I do wrong, and whatever, and we just got to figure that out. And I don't know, I think that's something I've been noticing is really as soon as I get into a trade, I'm getting stopped out very early. So there's something we can improve upon that. I haven't really taken notice to that until literally just today while I was talking to you guys about this, because of my emotion when we pushed down. But I've been realizing a lot of the times we're entering, we're getting stopped out pretty early. So what does that kind of tell me. I don't know. But I'm just gonna let this trade run for a bit. I do need to take my dog out. You know what? Let me show you guys the day. It's looking like a pretty nice day. Sun's out. We're trading. Now I'm showing you 2 trading. I'm gonna try grow like a goatee. No, but I think it could be good. I need a haircut. I'll show you guys my abs, bro. Why not? Guys, I don't know if this is a problem, but my nipples are like low as shit. Maybe because this is a bit high, but my nipples are low. What does that mean? Guys, I have the tall, narrow rib cage. It's not a bad thing, but it's a bit worse for your serratus. But most people have like the wide, compressed rib cage, which I would have wanted. But hey, God created me the way He created me, and why be annoyed about, or you know, not like the way you were created? I was created with purpose. Everyone was. We're all a child of God's. Alright guys, it looks like we're actually gonna get stopped out here, which is my dog is low-key barking. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 1, 5, 4, 3. Dang. Well, it was a nice trade. I'm really happy with today. We did learn a lot. I can't lie. Fuck, mate. No, but like dead ass, it's gonna go down. Free to leave, you know what? Because that's my mentor right there. Doesn't sell me out. Do you, Cecil? Wasn't just a retrace, right? Come on, come on. It wasn't a retrace. Alright, we got stopped out. Let's chill. What did we do wrong today? Fuck. Don't know. It was an alright trade today. The price was pretty bland after I entered low-key. It wasn't doing much. Faked me out with this reaction. Didn't even hit break even, which is chill. And another loss. So now 3 losses in a row. Hey, I'll see you boys tomorrow. It was a good trade today. Latest.